Here's day 36. This house is really starting to drag on now. Today's the coldest day it's been so far though. I'm only gonna work a few hours today. The hockey game was on early today, so I couldn't come in until after that. It's already like 2 o'clock. I'm only gonna have a few hours of light left. Sure snowed a lot more up here. Before I can do anything, I gotta try and get most of this off. And I'm gonna probably have to nail a bunch of toe boards on to get anywhere today. But I'll just try and get these trusses stood. I still have to snap the 2 valley lines. I didn't do that last night. So I'll get this shoveled off and get some toe boards nailed on. Look at the mound of snow on this side. So I have to snap this other valley line here down to there, so I gotta move all this stuff. These trusses, I can probably just pull them that way for now. I'll put these little ones on top of there, and then I'll probably have to take these 2 sticks off. Maybe I could leave that one. I'll snap a line up from there down to here. So here's that valley line snapped. I have to add another little sheet in there because it didn't quite catch. I'll do that and then I can start standing these trusses. I'll start with the big one off the gable and then just work my way this way. Oops, I made a mistake here. Anybody see it? With this valley line. I forgot to put the 2x4 on top down there, so I snapped that valley line at the wrong spot. I have to put my 2x4 on with the seat cut, and the valley line should be out there more. So I'll have to re-snap that. So I'll put this 2x4 on top of here, and then I'll re-snap that valley line. So cold, I'm not thinking straight. And there's the right valley line. So now I'll stand that big one, and then there's 3 more little ones, I think. But I gotta move the other big one either over there or I could throw it on this side. I'll throw it on this side, and that'll create an avalanche of snow, so it'll be less for me to shovel later. I got it up to there, and then the GoPro froze. Had to go swap out a warm battery. But I'll pull it the rest of the way up and throw it over to the other side. So I'll put this first big one in. I have a block nailed on up there. I'm gonna put another block on down there toward the bottom, and then another block on the bottom of this side. And then I'll just butt it into the blocks, and it should land on the line on both sides and good on the line at the peak. Now I have to cut a bunch of ridge blocks for those trusses up there. They're going to be cut to 22 3/8. They should be 22 1/2 theoretically, but you want to make them a little shorter because there's that gang plate on there at the top, so that piece of metal is a little bit on both sides, so you want to keep it at least 1/8 short, so 22 3/8. You could even go a little bit smaller than that, but don't go any bigger than 22 3/8 or you'll be screwed. I'm actually really surprised at how well these DeWalt tools work in the cold. Not the gun, but these cordless saws, I never have any issues with them. It always works. I don't even have to ever warm this up. I can leave it out, sitting out here all day long, and it always works. And I'm still getting a full day out of this battery, that 9 amp hour battery. I don't even bring my battery chargers to work with me anymore. I just make sure that all 3 of my big batteries are charged, and that's way more than enough battery power to last me the whole day. All the saws work perfect. Even this chainsaw, you ever try and start a chainsaw in -30, fiddling with the choke and stuff? This thing, this is locked, it's off, this is on. If I pull that trigger right now, I guarantee it's gonna fire. As long as my battery's good, I'm at 3 bars, and guaranteed. This is pretty handy to have. It's way lighter than a gas chainsaw. It's not quite as powerful though. So just with those blocks being in there, this line's kind of light, it's hard to see, but it's right on the line here. And on the other side, it's right on this line here. One truss in and the gun's froze. I'll do the same thing for the next truss. I'll put a block at the peak and then a block on both bottoms. Put the next truss in. Okay, the blocks are on. The 2 smaller ones are on this side. I'll have to go get it, drag it over here, put it in. The gun's still not working. I keep warming it up. It's not really doing anything. I see the hammer coming up. There's a second one in, and I don't have time to keep going down to warm up that gun, so I'm just gonna hammer these ones in. Well, there's that side done. Now I can do the lookouts on the gable and sweep this side off and do the same thing on this side. But I don't feel like doing that right now. It's time for a beer. Hey Siri, what's the wind chill?
The wind chill is currently minus 35 degrees.
Yeah, it's time for a beer.